Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 8 and today I'll show you how you can customize always on display. And first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to simply go for the home screen, lock screen and always on display. Right now you have to scroll down and find always on display right here. Next you have to tap on the switcher to activate always on display, and as you can see we get here a couple of the options. The first one, we can activate or deactivate date, notifications and the battery. You have to decide what you want to get. I will stay only with notifications. You can also change the always on display mode, so we can get it only on power saving. You can set it as a schedule or go for the all day, and that's what I really like and I'm going to take it. And when you go back and lock your device, right now we can check that everything was saved, and that's how it looks right now. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.